Flodesk. Flodesk is an email marketing platform, which is a very visually appealing email service provider. You can write really pretty emails using this particular tool. I have seen a lot of people use it primarily who are in a niche where the visual appeal is very, very important. For example, photographers, designers, they really need to look slick and professional and looking really nice. And the emails in Flodesk really gives you that ability. Now, in my case, in my main core business, I use System.io for my email marketing. So I don't care so much, to be honest. Like in my experience, I just want to provide good value and I don't care so much about the visual appeal. My emails are purely text-based and that's pretty much it. So Flodesk is not what I use for my core business. I use System.io email marketing. However, when I launched my software, confettipage.com, I needed a way to accept payments and also a way to send emails. And I wanted to segment it so that particular business, Confetti Page, is not connected to my System.io side of things, which is basically a different business. So with confettipage.com, which is my software, I use Flodesk for my email service provider. So when somebody creates a free account with confettipage.com, installs the code, things like that, all the information goes to Flodesk. When they make a purchase on Thrivecart, again, the information goes to Flodesk. And the email marketing, the workflows and all that stuff is all happening on Flodesk. The benefit of Flodesk is the pricing with regards to the fact that if you have a huge list, it's actually a very good pricing model because they have no limit on how many email contacts you can have. So depending on when you're watching this, their pricing is probably either $19 or $38 per month. So if you're just getting started, it could be a little bit on the expensive side, the $38. But if you have a much bigger list, say 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, it's actually a lot cheaper than most other options out there. Again, with System.io, I'm actually on the unlimited plan, which means I have unlimited contacts anyway. So it doesn't really make a difference to me on Flodesk. That's one of the reasons I moved to System.io. But because I signed up for Flodesk originally when they were on the founding member period, and I got a deal at $19 per month, I just remained a subscriber. And even though I wasn't using it for a few months, later I realized, you know what, I could actually use that for my other business, which is confettipage.com. So I'm a Flodesk customer, happy Flodesk customer. I still use it. If you're using something like WordPress, or if the visual appeal of your emails is really important to you, Flodesk is probably one of the best options in the market for your needs.